Hey peeps, it's Julian here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. We are on question 1.5 from the 2017 IEB Maths Lit Paper 1. This is another financial maths question which deals with filling out a payslip. So they say, use the calculations in question 1 complete the missing values of Lebogan's monthly salary payslip provided on the answer sheet. So I have copied and pasted the answer sheet payslip which they provided, and so we have been going through the previous questions in question 1. So it started off where we calculated gross annual salary and medical aid information and UIF and so on, and then we did a tax evaluation. So using that information, we need to fill out the form. So starting off with 1.5.1, they asked for the occupation and job title. So going all the way back, they did say that Lebogan is a 37-year-old sales representative. So the answer there is sales rep. So in here you will write sales rep. Cool. And then on to 1.5.2, it's now work out the medical aid. Now this is the medical aid contribution by Lebogan. So it doesn't include what the company pays, it includes what Lebogan's contribution is. So if we go back to that question 1, it had stated that Lebogan's portion is 1,273. So for that part will be 1,273 Rand. And same thing for UIF, they want Lebogan's contribution to UIF, and if you remember back in this question 1.2, that said that Lebogan's monthly contribution is 1%, and we worked that out to be 132 Rand. So we fill that in, it's 132 Rand. And with 1.5.4, it's now the income tax. So that was back in question 1.4. And we calculated that his total yearly income tax is 14,072 Rand and 40 cents. So now his monthly income tax, because this is a payslip for 1 month, so we need to do a little bit of calculations here. We need to take that 14,000 and I think it was 72 Rand and 40 cents. So 72 Rand and 40 cents, and we need to divide that by 12 because we need to know what he pays per month, and that comes to a value of 1,172 Rand and 70 cents in our calculators. So we can fill that value in here. So it's 1,172 Rand and 70 cents. And then on to 1.5.5, it's now the total deductions. So total deductions, we need to add all of these deductions that are here. So we can do calculations on the side again. So 1.5.5, so total deductions will equal 1,273 Rand plus the 132 Rand for the UIF plus the 1,172 Rand and 70 cents for tax. So put those three values into your calculator, sum them up, and we get a total deductions of 2,577 Rand So we can fill that in there. So 2,577 Rand and 70 cents. And finally, 1.5.6 is our net pay. So net pay is going to be your total earnings, and you're going to have to subtract your total deductions. So as a side calculation, we've got 1.5.6. So it's your total earnings. So that's going to be 13,200 minus your deductions, which will be 2,577 Rand and 70 cents. In your calculators, this comes to 10,622 and 30 cents. So we fill that in, and that completes our payslip and question 1.5. Before I go, I'd just like to say a special thanks to our epic sponsor for making this video possible. Read all about them in the description below. Be sure to visit our website for more of these epic tutorials, and remember, if you can't find the answer to your question, send us your question and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. And until next time, stay epic.